Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelly Wicker. Today we're diving into a festive project featuring the Winter Rose BetterPress plate and stencil bundle from Spellbinders, Handmade Holidays collection. This set is perfect for creating stunning holiday cards, and I can't wait to show you how it all comes together. Are you excited for Christmas and July crafting? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your crafty friends. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a crafty update. Let's get into the holiday spirit early and start crafting. Alright y'all, for today's card project, here are the following supplies that you'll need to create today's card. Today I'm going to be featuring the stunning BetterPress Winter Rose plate and stencil set from the Spellbinders Handmade Holiday Collection. This set is perfect for adding a touch of winter wonder to your holiday cards, and I can't wait to show you how I've spiced things up with these gorgeous designs. So the cool thing is, this comes with the plate and 4 layering stencils, so it makes it super easy to do the coloring. The nice thing is they're all numbered and they have the registration marks. And just FYI, you can buy this as a bundle, or you can purchase the BetterPress plate separately. You cannot purchase the stencils separately, because why would you need to do that? It just wouldn't work. So I recommend purchasing this as a bundle. Anyways, so don't forget to check out the description box below for my Spellbinders affiliate link. By shopping through my link, you're supporting my channel, and I appreciate it so very much. And you also need, to create today's card, the A2 Matting Basic Set A dies. We're going to be using the largest one in the set here. And then we're going to be doing some more foiling for the sentiments. So you're going to need the Spellbinders Glimmer Hot Foil Comfort and Joy Sentiment set. So we're going to be playing with that today. So super fun. And like I said, and the type of foil I'm going to be using is this gold glimmer foil from Spellbinders. So you want to get out your hot foil machine, your Spellbinders glimmer machine, and your die cutting machine, your Platinum 6, or something similar that'll work with the foiling. So, and you also need some inks. I am using my Distress Oxide inks. You can use something similar. I am going to be using these colors here to create today's card. There you go. Kitsch Flamingo, Evergreen Bow, and Mowed Lawn, and Lumberjack Plaid. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the card making fun, y'all. Okay, y'all, so it's time to jump into the card making fun, am I right? So I have my machines ready to go, and the glimmer machine is already warmed up. I'm just trimming down my gold foil here, and I got my Hammermill cardstock ready to go. I trimmed it down to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, placing the pretty side of the foil down onto the press plate and placing the cardstock on top, along with 2 pieces of paper for some extra pressure, and then the thin shim and the spacer pad goes on top. And as I set the timer here, I want to show you a couple cards I made with this set already. Some quick, easy cards. Super fun. I love this bundle. It's a really great set. You can make some quick and easy cards with it. So we remove it from the docking station and run it through the Spellbinders Platinum 6 die cutting machine, keeping our fingers crossed. And now we remove all the shims and the reveal. Yay, it worked! Okay, y'all, now the foiling is done for the card panel. It's time to get inky out here and do some ink blending. So I'm getting out the first stencil and lining it up here to the card panel. Here I just wanted to show you my blending brushes and getting out my Distress Oxide inks. And one tip I want to give when blending is make sure your ink pad is juicy. That is key when blending. You want a juicy ink pad. It makes it look like you know what you're doing when it's nice and juicy. So instead of buying new ink pads, I've been buying the re-inkers and just re-inking my existing ink pads. So I love Distress Oxides. I think I have most of the Distress Oxide. This is one of the main lines of inks that I have in my craft room, and I love them so much. I use them all the time. And so that is a tip I recommend doing, is going through and re-inking your ink pads. They make a world of difference. But you can see how easy this stencil is. I love this press plate and stencil set. It's a great bundle. I highly recommend it for your Christmas cards. So here you can see me shifting it a little bit. I mean, it's not 100%, but it's pretty easy to line up. So here I'm just masking off the pink flowers because I don't want any green to get onto the flowers. So just taking a little Best Ever Craft tape and covering those areas. And then I'm going to do the same to the green area over here. I'm going to mask that off because I don't want any pink getting into that area. So here we go with Kitsch Flamingo, coloring in the flowers. And now going in with the last stencil here. And bringing back out the lumberjack plaid to color in the berries. And I don't know the bottom of the flower. I don't know what that part is. I don't know the technical term for that. If somebody can let me know in the comments, that would be great. But anyways, just going in, cleaning out the sticky mat here with the baby wipe. That's how I clean mine. And my stencils, I just use baby wipes. It removes everything. They don't stain that way. So super easy to do. And now we're bringing in Mirror Gold cardstock. I love this cardstock. I hoard this cardstock. Anyways, just running this die through my die cut machine here, because this is going to help bring the card together. And then trimming this down, the card panel. Here we go. And like I said, maybe I shouldn't be drinking wine when I'm doing voiceovers, but oh well. It makes it more fun for me. And now we're just prepping our note card. Cutting it in half, that's Hammermill cardstock. And bringing out the Score Buddy, scoring it at 5.5. Lining it up and make sure it's all nice and neat and ready to go. Pressing it down, reinforcing it with the bone folder. And did you know Spellbinders has a tape runner? Well, they do. I will have that linked below in the description box as well. And just lining things up here. That's why I love those layering dies. They make things so easy. Oh no, I went over a little bit. That's okay. I thought I can take most of it off, but then I just ended up folding it over. So that works too. Oops, don't do that. So just lining it up against the card base. And now we're going in with the sentiment. I love that magnetic pickup tool. It works really great. So just measuring all the foil out and the cardstock for the sentiment here. And remember, the pretty side of the foil goes down to the plate and the cardstock on top, and paper shims and the thin shim and the spacer pad all go on top. And then we hit the timer button and remove it from the docking station. There we go. Run it through nice and slow. That one didn't turn out great, so I wanted to go ahead and do it again. It was a little off. So just doing the same thing. I wanted it to look better than what it did. There we go. Running it through the nice and slow. It looks fast, but it's nice and slow. Anyways, there we go. That one's much better. And then I just cut those out with my mini Empress, since my mini Empress was right on my desk. So there we go. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick one, I think Peace on Earth, and trimming the other flag off, because we're going to line it up to the side here. And then we're getting out some foam squares, scrapbook adhesive foam squares, placing them on the back of the banner, peeling off the backers, and then lining it up here. There we go, my friends. And that is the finished card project, y'all. Check that foil out. So cool. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's card project featuring the Winter Rose BetterPress plate and stencil bundle from Spellbinders Handmade Holidays collection. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Your support means the world to me and helps me keep this channel going. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I appreciate each and every one of you. See you in the next card making video. Ciao for now.